Hi, Hometalk universe. We just got a question about an electrical outlet in a shiplap wall. It's very simple. All you need to do is remove the cover plate from the electrical outlet by removing the middle screw right there. And then once you have that access, what you need to do is remove these two screws right here at the top and the bottom. Now, obviously, you've already turned the power off at the electrical box, right? Good. So once you remove those screws, what you want to do is pull the entire housing out of the junction box. And now you can go ahead and install your shiplap. And then what you want to do is make sure that these prongs, when you reinsert the electrical outlet into the junction box, is flush with the face of this shiplap on both the top and the bottom. Now what you may have to do is replace these screws right here for longer screws, but you can find those very, very simply at any Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. So when you put that shiplap on the wall, go ahead and reinstall your electrical outlet, making sure that the prongs hit the face of that shiplap, and then go ahead and reinstall your cover plate. So that's how you very simply move your electrical outlets so they're not recessed behind the shiplap wall.